Hey guys, today is October 10th and it's Amazon Prime Day. It's going on today and tomorrow. I was looking through the deals this morning and there is a ton of great deals, so I thought it would be worth putting up a YouTube video showing you all of my favorites. Trying to look through these deals can be a little confusing because sometimes it looks like it's a great deal, but it's really not. So I have rounded up all of the deals that I feel like are really worth it. I have an Amazon storefront and I created a list and put it all in one place to make it a lot easier. So here's my Amazon list with all of the Prime Day deals. I'm going to link this in my description box and I'll be adding to it if I find any more deals today or tomorrow. Sadly, I didn't see a lot of Cricut machine deals, but it's only October. I feel like by Black Friday or end of November, we will start seeing some more of those sales. But I am going to click on this one. Sometimes on Amazon, when it's Prime Day, there will be some sales, but you'll know it's a Prime Day sale when it has this red box here and it says Prime Big Deal. So this was the only specific Prime deal I saw, and it's a Cricut Explorer Air 2 starter bundle, and it's on sale for $249. And here's kind of a picture of all the different things that you get with it. I also saw the Cricut Explorer 3 and the Cricut Maker 3 are on sale, but they're not specific Prime deals. I do want to show you a really cool tip. I've been using this for a little while now, and I'm not sure how many people know about this, but it's a website called Camel. Here's the website. What you do is search the Amazon product that you want to buy, and it shows you the prices from the past. Like, it shows you what it was even a year ago. It tells you what the lowest price it's ever been. It shows the average price that it is. It basically helps you know if you're really getting a good deal or not. It's super helpful. The website has been down a lot today with Prime Day, so hopefully I can show you how it works here. I'm going to type in Cricut Maker 3. It's saying we are currently experiencing a high volume of searches. Please try again in a minute. So let's hope I can show you it. Okay, let me pull it up, so I'm excited. I just typed in Cricut Maker 3, and here's the machine. What I like to do is scroll down. It shows a chart of Amazon price history. Isn't this so cool? So right now the Cricut Maker 3 is on sale for $399. If you go back to this, you can kind of see the price range that it's been. One thing that I really like is it shows lowest ever. So the lowest it's ever been is $379, and this was in March of 2023. So you know that it could definitely go lower. The average price is $421, and currently it's $399. It also shows the highest price it's ever been. So at $399, it is a little bit lower than the average, so you are still getting a good deal, but you might want to wait until maybe Black Friday because it could go a little bit lower. The hard thing is you never know when it will go lower. So you kind of have to make your best judgment and see if you're wanting to spend this or if you want to wait and see if it goes a little bit lower. So it's such a cool website. It is very, very helpful. I check it constantly when there's sales on Amazon. Sometimes I go to it and it says it's on sale, but it's been that price for months. Other times I go to it and it actually is a good sale. There are some heat presses on sale. The Cricut Auto Press is on sale for $5.99. That's the lowest I've ever seen it go. It's 40% off right now. Cricut's Easy Press 2 machines are on sale. The 9x9 is $99 and the 12x10 is $149. When they go on sale, that's kind of the typical price range that it's at, but I would say that's definitely a good deal. Also, they must have discontinued the small Easy Press because they only have the two options that I've seen lately. The HTV Raw Auto Press is on sale. Both of these are $185 right now. They're 37% off. So that is a fantastic deal. It's under $200. So if you've been keeping your eye on that, that's a great price. I do have a video unboxing that, so I can link that down in my description box. PYD Life is another company that I absolutely love, and they have a ton of great deals right now for Prime Day. I have the mini sublimation oven. I also have an unboxing of that, so I can link that down below as well. I have their tumbler press. I don't have their regular sublimation oven, but it looks like it's on sale too. On my Amazon storefront, I created a PYD Life list all on its own because almost everything that they have is a Prime deal, so they're all really good deals too. The top row are some of their machines. This one is new. It looks like there is a 30% off coupon though. I will be testing this out in a future video. I also have their cup cradle. This thing is so awesome. I use it when I do crafts with cups or tumblers, when I do sublimation, adhesive vinyl. It's really, really great. It also has 3 adjustable widths, so you can switch it out with mugs, tumblers, cups, things like that. They have their butcher paper on sale, their shrink wrap for the sublimation ovens. They have their heat resistant tape and a lot of their blanks on sale. I also wanted to show this. I have never tried this, so I actually just purchased this. I'm not signed in because I feel like it shows my location, so I signed out while I'm doing my YouTube video. But this is an insert for the Cricut mug press, so you can use other mugs or tumblers in it. I am really excited to try this. I have not given it a try yet, but it looks really, really cool. Hopefully I can put a video together on that as well. It looks like Cricut's LED floor lamp is on sale. It is 48% off, so almost half off. Also, the Nieto labels is on sale. This is my favorite sticker paper that I cut with my Cricut. Here is a light pad. This is not Cricut brand and I've never tried it, but I do really like my Cricut one. I believe it's like $50, so this is a much better price. You can look at reviews and it looks like the reviews are really great for this. I like to use this when I'm weeding like glitter HTV and things like that. Also, my craft organizational cart is on sale. I just did a video on this last month. I can link that video down below as well. But this is really good if you have a small space because it's compact, but it holds all of your basic Cricut supplies, and it looks like it's 16% off. Here's a few other organizational things. This little rolling cart I don't have, but it looks great for craft supplies. I do have both of these. I store my vinyl and Cricut material in that. Here's one of those 3-tier utility carts. There's a few other things I wanted to show you and then you can just check it out yourself. But these foam brushes, I just bought these. It's a 25 pack. It's normally $13.60. It's on sale for $3, but you can apply a $1 coupon. You can get the 25 pack for $2. That is just an insane deal. So I did purchase those also. I wanted to show these pin adapters. I use these all the time with the Cricut. It's $14, but it has a $3 coupon, so that is a good deal. I love these mesh zipper pouches. You can add vinyl to the front of them and they're just great for organization. I use these blades instead of Cricut blades and they are on sale. It looks like for about $6. The Ivine Berry Scrap Collector's on sale. It is 20% off. I paid the full almost $10 for it, so that is a good price. And here's a few other things. These heat-resistant gloves are $3.99. So many great deals. It's kind of crazy. I just feel like in the past for Prime Day, it hasn't been that great for us crafters, and I am just really excited looking at all of these. Papermate usually has good sales on Prime Day, so that is a good deal also. I keep finding some more things, but this organizer case looks really cool. It holds all of your blades. I have the Cricut Organizer that I like, but I like that this is like a pouch that you can zip up. It's pretty neat, especially if you travel with your Cricut. I'm going to keep looking through deals today and tomorrow. If I find some other good ones, I will add it to this page. In the description box, I will put a link to this page. I will also put a link to the specific PYD Life page. If there's anything that you're looking out for a good deal, let me know in the comments and I will try to do some research and see if I can find what you're looking for. I also do receive a small commission off of these links, and I just want you to know I appreciate you shopping through them. It really means a lot to me. Happy Prime Day. Let me know what you guys think of some of these products in the comments. I feel like it always kind of helps other people decide what to buy as well.